What's going on, y'all? This is my client's GLC43, and it's been in the body shop for months. The paint's absolutely trashed. Let's get it cleaned up. All right, y'all, so this AMG is absolutely filthy. We're gonna need a little bit more cleaning power this time. For our pre-wash, we're gonna reach for Coast Shimmy Multi-Star. All right, next we're gonna be grabbing Garage Therapy's Decon shampoo. And lastly, we're gonna reach for another Garage Therapy product, their V3 car shampoo. And that's gonna go in our wash bucket. All right, up first we need to clean our wheels and tires. So we're gonna reach for Yum Cars Wheel Foam, and we're gonna put that right in our wheel bucket. All right, y'all, and for our wheel and tire chemicals, we're gonna reach for Armory Details Wheel Cleaner, which is one of my absolute new favorites. And for our tires, Yum Cars Undress. Of course, and to finish our tires off, we're gonna be reaching for one of my new favorites as well, Garage Therapy's Tire Serum. And to top it off, something that you absolutely must try is P&S's new product, the Reflect Glass Finisher. This is an SiO2 based glass finisher, makes it super slick, lots of hydrophobics. Guys, do yourself a favor, get yourself a bottle. All right, let's get to it. All right, y'all, so this is a 3-step carpet system by P&S. It has a terminator, which is the first step, and that's for more of your organic stains. So you wanna go over it, you wanna basically vacuum it, blow it off really good, and then go ahead and apply this. I feel like it works best if you just honestly apply it, rub it in with your hand, the glove on. Once that's on there, I like to go back with a carpet bomber. Let that set for just a little while, and then we're gonna go back and agitate it with a brush. You can use a drill brush, you can use a manual brush, just a handheld brush. I usually use a combination of both depending on the type of stains in the carpet and whatnot. All right, so we have the mats done. Now it's time to do the interior, fun part. So you can see it's not too bad. A little dirty, but we'll get it. And here's the back seat. Once again, not too bad at all. Let's go. All right, y'all, so now it's time to clean the interior. And really one of my favorite new general purpose interior cleaners is the Labo Cosmetica Omnia. Leaves it a really good matte finish. Previously, the P&S Express interior cleaner has kind of been my go-to for most of my clients' vehicles. But this is probably my new favorite. It's great. right, y'all, so the wheels and tires are done. And man, this shop, when they detailed it, they put the cheapest, absolute cheapest tire dressing on it. It got all over the side of the car, and it was really, really big pain to get off the tires, but we did it. Now it's time to do the exterior. Let's go. All right, y'all, so we are going to pre-foam the vehicle and get off some of this just road salt and stuff from where we had snow. We're gonna use Multi-Star by Koshimi, and we're gonna use it at a 1:30 distillation. So y'all, after using these products a couple times now, just want to say I'm really impressed with all of them. Zero Decon, the car shampoo just provide a lot of slickness, really break down all the dirt. Tire serum is definitely goated. It's absolutely amazing. All right, y'all, so we got it all rinsed off. Now we're gonna use a coating. Typically at this point, I was gonna use a spray coating of some kind. Historically, I might use Geon Wet Coat or another type of SiO2 spray sealant. But I've gotten this recently, this Visor Wet Coat. So let's give this a shot, see how it works. Let's go. So guys, beyond impressed with this visor wet coat. We'll see how it performs, but it's easily just as good as Gion wet coat, if not potentially better. Really, really crazy hydrophobics considering this vehicle didn't have any protection on it, hasn't been coated, and I just stripped anything off that, if there was anything at all, it's gone now. So yeah, did a great job. Let's go. All right, y'all, so we got it all cleaned up. We finished the detail, and you guys, I think it looks amazing. What do you guys think? All right, y'all, thank you so much for watching today. And hey, what products do you want to see me feature? Let me know in the comments below, and I'll be sure to feature them next time. As always, I appreciate you guys watching, and we'll catch you next time.